guys, good morning. Yeah, we are here. We are going for the London Open, guys. We are here. We are trying to say, we are trying to join the London Open, guys. Yeah, welcome you all, guys, to the London Open, guys. Analysis. So I'm gonna be sharing my screen right now. So we are having right now this market. So these are NASDAQ market. You can see at the moment. These are NASDAQ markets, which so also again guys, I can show you the yesterday's trade which we were able to take yesterday's trade for the GBPUSD. So let me show you yesterday's trade which we were able to take yesterday on the London Open. So let me show you guys. Let me show you guys for the London Open, guys. Yesterday we were able to take a trade, and so let me show you. Sorry guys for that. Yeah, so this is this is what I can tell you about the GBPUSD. Currently, this is what's going to happen, and and you can see, guys, and so maybe we can zoom the chart. I can zoom the chart, guys. Sorry. So these are GBPUSD. You can see. So when you draw this trend line here, you can see. So you can see. So this is what I'm expecting currently. Let me go to page 4 so that can be clear. Yeah, so this is my analysis for GBPUSD currently, guys. Yeah, this is my analysis for GBPUSD currently. Yeah, let's continue joining, guys. Yeah, so this is GBPUSD currently at the moment. This is GBPUSD currently at the moment. So let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen in this market. So here I'm expecting this market. I'm expecting this market to come to this region here. Then pull back here like this. Yeah, so this is my analysis for GBPUSD currently. I'm waiting for the pullback. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the pullback. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the pullback so that I can sell this market, can see? Yeah, but yeah, so this is GBPUSD. So let's go to maybe NASDAQ. Let's check NASDAQ, guys. Let's check NASDAQ 100. Yeah, confirm if I am clear, guys. Confirm if I'm clear, guys. Echo mingi sana. Nancy, I don't know if I am echo. Yeah. What about now? Yeah, I think nimekuwa na kidogo hapo. Yeah, what about now? Confirm to me right now. Confirm to me. Yeah, confirm to me. The echo, I think the echo is not there again. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think currently it's okay. Okay. So I am waiting for the market to pull back here so that I can sell. So let me show you yesterday's trade. I haven't showed you yesterday's trade which we were able to take, guys. I haven't showed you the yesterday's trade which we were able to take, guys. So yesterday's trade, let me show you just yesterday's trade which we were able to take. So yesterday's trade, I'm going to be showing you on Bollinger Band. I'm going to be showing you on Bollinger Band, which we were able to take yesterday. So yesterday, I was able to set the Bollinger Band. That's it. So that is my Bollinger Band. Yesterday, market. Yeah, that is the band which I was able to set the band for yesterday. Then I waited for the market. You can see here. So yesterday when we were doing our live market, the market was here. Can see? The market was around here. So I told you guys before we ended the meeting. I told you we need to wait for the market to touch the upper band here. I told you we need to wait for the market to touch the upper band so that we can sell. I see, guys. So so the market went up, and we were able. The market was able to touch the upper band here. You can see the market was able to touch the upper band. Then, what was my next confirmation entry? So my next confirmation entry is I wait for the market to break below the 20 MA, which is here. So the market was able to break below the 20 MA here. Then I was able to enter the trade sell. Then stop loss where? At this side. And this trade I'm still holding right now. I'm still holding this trade, guys. Because I was able to enter here and hold this trade. See? So the market went more than 50 pips. The market went 60 pips. I think. So the market does not reach my TP, but I've lost some profits from the yesterday's trade because yesterday the market was just ranging here. So I didn't have the like the market didn't move yesterday. It was not a very long trend because it was just ranging. After I have entered the market sell here, the market was just ranging. That's it. Like the market was just ranging between here. So that's why I didn't enter that trade. So that's why I went below that trade. Till right now, I'm still holding this trade. So what am I waiting today? So today I'm just waiting to do the same thing. That's it. This is for today, guys. This is for today. I'm just waiting to the same thing. So same thing, I'm just waiting for the market to touch the upper band here. Or the lower band. Here. Just simple like that. Yeah, just wait for the market to touch the upper band or the lower band so that I can confirm an entry, buy or sell. Currently the market is between that. It's between the so I need first the market to so this is for Bollinger Band. Yeah, this is for Bollinger Band. This is for Bollinger Band. Yeah, so when the market maybe will come down here, it must sweep the liquidity. I think. Yeah, I need to wait for the market to sweep the liquidity so that I can buy, guys. I can buy on the low side. And also here you can see, maybe I can show you something here on the liquidity graph. So here we are having a liquidity graph here. Liquidity. So here on the high of Asia, we are having more liquidity currently, right now. And right now we are having more liquidity here. On the low of Asia and the high of Asia. So here we are having here stop losses of retail traders, like so many guys. Yeah, so many orders here. So what's going to happen here, guys? What's going to happen here is the market is going to sweep the liquidity here. Yeah, the market is going to sweep the liquidity either this high or this low. This is what you're waiting currently. This is what we are waiting. I think, yeah. These are very important level, guys. It's a very important level in the market, because you can see yesterday here, same thing was able to happen here yesterday. Can you see here? See what happened there yesterday? Yeah, I just want to show. I just wanted to show you guys like what's happening on this low of Asia. So, and also the most important part, which you can understand, is high of yesterday's and low of yesterday. I think so. This is the most important, guys. This is the most important area: the high of Asia and the low of Asia, and also the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday. Okay. I think, guys. I think. So those are the most important areas which I'm concentrating right now. So I'm just looking for the market to touch that level. Then I look for the entry opportunities. Like you can see yesterday, you can see here, the market is able to sweep the liquidity at the high of Asia. So the first confirmation entry was this bearish engulfing here. Can see? Was this a bearish engulfing here? That was my first confirmation that the market is continuing going. The market will continue going down. I think so. This was the end. Yeah, this was this one gave me a sign that market, we have a change of power. I think this candle. Yeah, that was the most important candle, guys. That was the really most important candle, which I can tell you guys, like, it gave me confidence that the market is going downtrend. But to add more confirmation, I needed the 20 MA. Yeah, for the market to give me like more confirmation, I needed the 20 MA. Yeah, so I can use maybe for Bollinger Band. Yeah, maybe can you just use for what I did for Bollinger Band. I think like what I did for Bollinger Band. So the market was able to break low of Asia. You can see. Yeah, the market was able to break a low of high of Asia, then close below the 20 MA. Then it gave me confidence. It gave me confidence to hold that trade. I think, guys. Yeah, it gave me confidence to hold that trade. It gave me confidence to hold that trade below the 20 MA. You can see here, below the 20 MA. And the trade went well. You can see the trade went well. In the morning, that's when the market was able to go down. But this is just a retracement. But the market will continue going down. I think the market will continue going down. Yeah, the market will continue going down. Yeah, the market will continue going down. Okay, yeah, can see. So this is what we are waiting today. This is the level which we are concentrating today on the market, guys. So it's just simple, guys. Just simple. We are just looking for liquidity levels. That is our area of interest. Our area of interest is we are looking for the liquidity levels. I think we are looking for the liquidity levels, guys. We are looking for the liquidity levels. That's it. Yeah, so this is analysis for GBPUSD. This is analysis for GBPUSD. Unless someone has a question about what we're waiting. This is what we're waiting currently. We're waiting for the market to sweep the high of Asia and the low of Asia so that we can trade. Right now, we can't trade. Or the market is going to touch the lower band. If the market is going to, if for example, you are trading the bands, if you are trading the bands, you need to wait for the market to touch the bands so that you can trade. Because yesterday you can see, yesterday it was a trap here. So if for example you had entered here, for example, can see here to the trap. So we need for the market to touch first the trend, the upper band. We need for the market first to touch the upper band so that we can consider whether to buy or sell. Yeah, that's really important, guys. And it's very easy, guys. See, it's just straight and forward, guys. It is just straight and forward. It's kind of like a 2.4. The story which we had today for gold, can see? Like the story which we had today for gold, can see? Can we take the trade once it touches the band without taking the liquidity? So this one, so this applies. So because so this applies with so Bollinger Bands now liquidity graph is just the same, still the same. So we can decide if you are trading like so for example, you want to see the results, like consistency, like you need to focus on one. You need to focus on one. But most of the times, when the market touches the upper band, most of the times it will suit the liquidity at the higher valuation. Like most of the times, likelihood, most of the times. Like when see yesterday here. I can see yesterday here. Let me just show you. So yesterday you can see when the market was able to suit the high of Asia, can see here, the market was able to suit the high of Asia. Like the liquidity levels. Let me show you the liquidity level here. Here was the high of Asia. Can see? That was the high of Asia. That was the high of Asia. That blue line, the one that I've set there up. So you can see a person who is trading Bollinger Band was able to take the same trade with a person who is taking liquidity grab. Same trade. Because here you can see the market was able to sweep to touch the low of Asia, the low of Bollinger Band, but the market was not able to close below the 20 mm. So, if for example, if someone is trading liquidity grab and Bollinger Band, both of them they were able to enter the same trade here. Are you seeing? Yeah, both they were able to enter the same trade. Here, I think that was the same trade for the liquidity grab and for Bollinger people. That's the same trade. I think. Yeah, it was kind of the same trade. Yeah, it was the same trade, same candle. Yeah, it was actually the same candle. I think it was the same candle. Yeah, I can say Bollinger Band and liquidity grab is just the same. Yeah, it's kind of the same. But if you want to see the consistency, number one, like you need to stick with one. Yeah, let's say every day I'm gonna be trading this only. Yeah, if it's Bollinger Band, focus with Bollinger Band. Day one from Monday to Friday. Yeah, so that you can see the consistency. You can see? Yeah. Because you can see here, I can see even here I can see here. Oh, this one is which market is this? This one is gold. So yesterday even gold gave us an entry. This one was gold yesterday. It gave us a nice entry for sell. You can see. But I'm talking about GBPSD. I thought maybe I was sharing the GBPSD, but maybe let me share GBPSD. So GBPSD also yesterday it gave us the same entry. You can see? Same entry, guys. So the market was able to touch the upper band. And then close below the 20 MA. Yeah, pick one trade for life. Yeah, gold or GBPSD. Yes. Yeah, pick one trade for life, gold, NASDAQ at GBPSD. I think That's a really hard question. Maybe I can pick NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ. Maybe I can choose NASDAQ because NASDAQ is not NASDAQ follows the market structure. But gold sometimes it goes up, go down. Yeah, it's not like I can say gold right now is not stable. It is not stable. It goes up, down, up, down. But Nasdaq is still stable because because this is a stock market. Like you can't manipulate stocks. You can't manipulate. It's not easy to manipulate stocks. But gold it is very easy. You see, yeah. Maybe I can say Nasdaq and then GBPSD then gold. Gold maybe inaweza sema ni ya mush for me. Trading this strategy. Yeah, because this strategy it works mostly on currencies and NASDAQ. Yeah, gold I work sana. It doesn't work well on gold because gold is trading uptrend, and this one we are trading reversal. You see, when you trade gold, you're expecting the market. You're expecting to buy uptrend. You see, we expect to buy like buying. You see, but when you're trading the reversal, when you're trading the liquidity grab, when you're trading the currencies, we are trading reversal. So right now here, all of us we are trading London reversal. That is the strategy which we are trading. We are trading London reversal. Yeah, that's what we are waiting. We are trading right now. It's called a London reversal. London reversal strategy. So this is called a London reversal strategy. Also Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is called a London reversal strategy. Also, can see. So we are trading London reversal. Yes. Yeah. So for me, maybe anachukua NASDAQ, then GBPSD, then gold. But gold works well at night during the Asian market. Like gold, working at the peak. Yeah, the peak price. Like gold. If maybe gold I can trade very well at night. Like it performs very well. Even better than GBPSD. Yeah, but at night. But during the London Open, don't trade gold. Don't trade gold during the London Open. Like it's not stable. Yeah, and don't ever look for sale on gold. Yeah, if you want to see maybe consistency long term. I see, guys. Yeah, so what are you waiting here? We're just waiting for the same thing, guys. Like this thing you need to repeat daily. You need to repeat daily. That's when you're gonna see the consistency. That's when you're gonna see consistency of Forex. By doing it on a consistent basis. I think, guys. By doing it on a consistent basis. So let's go to NASDAQ. Let's go to NASDAQ 100. Then we're gonna check NASDAQ. Let's go to NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ. So I'm gonna be showing you. So same thing. NASDAQ can trade very well with this system. Very well. With very well. So let me go to NASDAQ. So this is called NASDAQ 100. So NASDAQ also already it has achieved the low liquidity. Can see? This is what I was telling you guys. Liquidity has been swept, and also the market it has touched low Bollinger Band. Can see? So that's what I was telling you. If you are trading liquidity grab and Bollinger Band, it's just the same. Yeah, most of the time it's just the same. Yeah, see what's happening here. Can you tell me what's happening here? So right now here, a person who is trading liquidity grab and the person who is trading Bollinger Bands, both of them are waiting for the market to break above the 20 MA. I think both of them are waiting for the market to break above the 20 MA so that they can buy. I think both of them are waiting for the market to break above the 20 MA. So to me, they are trading the same strategy. Yeah, it's kind of the same strategy. So that's why I was able to bring this strategy of Bollinger Band so that it can be easier for someone who doesn't understand about the liquidity graph. Yeah, because if you're trading the Bollinger Band, same thing, you're a trader. I think, like you're just the same person who is using the liquidity graph. Yeah, just the same. Yeah, it is just the same, guys. I think it is just the same, guys. The liquidity graph and Bollinger Bands both are just the same. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting. So NASDAQ, we are waiting here. We're waiting here for NASDAQ. You can see. Yeah, it's raining a lot, guys, in my side here. It's really raining a lot, guys. You can see. So this is what I was telling you about the. So this is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ can trade London or New York time. You can trade London or New York time. So you can see here. See what happened here in New York. See what's happening here on New York market. So New York market, the market was able to do the same thing, guys. Low. Are you seeing here? Yeah, the liquidity was taken instantly on the low of Asia, instantly, and also the next confirmation the market was able to touch the lower band. Then we see what happened. This was now the entry. The entry candle. I think this candle. So the person who is trading, the person who is trading Bollinger Band and the person who is trading liquidity graph, both of them, they were able to get the same entry. Yeah, both of them, they were able to get the same entry. I think, guys, they were able to get the same trades and entry. I think so. That's why these strategies are very similar together. They look similar together, guys. They look very similar together. Yeah. So here, yeah, can someone tell me why was this trade? Yeah. Sorry guys for that. So I was telling you, you can see. So the reason why we didn't have an entry here. You can see this candle here is because the market was not able to close below the 20 MA. The market was not able to close below the 20 EMA. You can see, guys, the market was not able to close below the 20 EMA, so that, yeah, we didn't have an entry on that point. So the most confirmation candle is we need to wait for the market to close above the 20 EMA. Yeah, we need to wait for the market to close below the 20 EMA so that we can look for the entries. So that we can look for entries. So that we can look for entry, guys. I think, guys, yeah, just simple like that. Just simple like that. Yeah, just simple like that. We need to wait for the market to close above the 20 MA so that we can look for the entry. So what's happening here? Guys? So just simple like that. So here, the market has confirmed to us an entry at the moment. Yeah, currently the market has confirmed to us an entry right now here. So what are we waiting for the entries so that we can look for the entries buy or sell? Is we are waiting for the market to close above the 20 MA. This middle line. I see this middle line. For someone who is trading NASDAQ, you need to wait for the market to close above the 20 MA here so that you can look for the entries. So that you can look for the entry buy. I think, guys. Yeah, just simple like that. Yeah, we need to wait for the candle to close above this 20 MA like this. Then we buy. Now you have followed the rules. Now you have followed the rules. Just simple like that. Yeah, this is one of the easiest strategy you can ever trade, guys. It is one of the easiest strategy you can trade. And if the market will not close above the 20 MA, no trade. No trade till tomorrow. No trade till tomorrow again. I think, guys. Yeah, just simple like that. If the market will not close above the 20 MA, we are not going to be taking the trade against a trade. Yeah. So let me check. Maybe can I check me the currency? Maybe can I check USD? Yeah, these applies to all currencies. It applies to all currencies, guys. See what's happening. On a so this is euro dollar. I think the euro dollar, guys. What's happening on the euro dollar right now? So this is euro USD. So there are some people who will normally take when the market so these are these are first confirmation. That is the first confirmation is as the market touches the lower band. If the market does not touch the lower band, no trading that day. Or the upper band. No trading that day. I think. So here, so this trade, like yesterday, can see here. So yesterday, this you can see this yesterday. So yesterday, the London market was able to open here. I think the yellow part here, where we have the yellow part here. So the London market was able to open here. Then all of a sudden, the market was able to touch the upper band. Here. So what was your next confirmation to sell? Your next confirmation to sell is you are needed to wait for the market to close below the 20 MA. Now you can sell that trade. Just simple like that. Like you don't need to complicate in this market. You don't need to complicate yourself. Like it is just straight and forward rule. ABCD rule. You can see. As this market confirms this, if it's yes, you need to look for the entries. Yeah. So you can see the entry was able to they gave us an entry, or yesterday's Euro USD was able to give us an entry where? Here. I don't know if I can mark a different color so that you can see. Let me use a different color. Maybe which color can I use? A black one. Yeah, black one is a bit clear. I think that candle which I've marked there, that was the confirmation candle sell. So where do you set your stop loss? Your stop loss you set previous high, the previous high where it was able to touch the upper band. And it is here. Are you seeing this level? Now that was the previous high. That was the previous high. So you could have executed a sell that market, stop loss here, then you hold. So some of the mistakes people make is whenever they see this consolidation, most of them they will tend to tremble to close that trade. You see, you had entered your trade here, but see what happened here. The market was able to range during the whole day. The whole day the market was able to range. Then all of a sudden, at night, that's when the market was able to go down. So long as your stop loss, the market has not reached your stop loss, you don't need to close the trade. You see, so long as the market it does not touch your stop loss, you just hold that trade. So to me, it's either the market to hit your stop loss or take profit. Just simple like that. TP or stop loss. Like you need to trade like a robot. You need to trade like a robot. I think you need to trade like a robot. You need to trade like a robot so that you can see the consistency. You can see. So here, this market, guys, you can be waiting for this market. If this market is gonna close above the 20 day, if this market is gonna close above the 20 MA, we are going to buy. I think, guys, we are going to buy. If the market is going to close above the market is going to close above the 20 MA, we're gonna buy, guys. We're gonna buy. I think, guys, this market is gonna close above the 20 MA here. We're gonna buy this market right now. Yeah. So maybe so this is for analysis for today, guys. Yeah, we are having this. So USD and GPSD will move the same, guys. Will actually move the same. Yeah, USD and GPSD, it usually moves the same, guys. Okay. So which market have I not seen? Can you check maybe GPJPY? Can you check GBPJPY? Can you check GBPJPY? Yeah, this GPJ. You see what happened to GPSJPY? So yesterday, I think so the market has not given us an entry here. The market has not given us the market. I think right here. So yesterday you can see here the market was able to touch the upper band. Then this market the market was not able to close below the 20 MA. So we didn't have an entry. I think we didn't have an entry when the market. So I needed for the market to close below the 20 MA, which is here. Then downtrend. Then I was able to call that trend downtrend. So same thing here. This GPGPY you can see already has given us an entry. Yeah. Already has given us an entry market. Already has given us an entry the trade. Yes. So which market maybe can we check, guys? Which market can we check together, guys? Can you take that? Can you take that trade to the next day? Yes. Yeah, you can take the trade to the next day. Very, very correct. You can take the trade to the next trade, Derek. Yeah, Derek. Like you can see here, the GU. Yeah, I'm still holding GPSD, guys. I'm still holding GPSD, and I was able to enter yesterday. And I'm still holding it right now, till right now. See? So yesterday I was able to enter here. This candle.
I think so. I was able to enter this market here yesterday, and my TP is around this region here. So my TP is around this region. Are you seeing that region, guys? Yeah, my TP is around that region there down. But I have not exited that trade. Yeah, I have not exited that trade. So I'm still holding that trade. I'm still holding that trade. And I'm expecting to hold long, guys, until to hit my take profit. I think so. I'm not closing that trade. I am not closing that trade until it hits my TP. Like, you need to be very, very disciplined like that. But when you end up taking small profit, it's gonna affect your account. I think like it's gonna affect your account if you tend to take small profits daily. Small profit daily is gonna affect your account. Show us a DJ and yeah, GPP and JPY. Let me show GPY. Let me show GPS. Let me show you how GPY was able to give us an entry. GPY. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Like, you just need to wait for the market to confirm, then you enter. Yeah, even if I'm not around, guys, the strategy is simple and precise. Like, you just need to wait for the market to touch the upper band, then you sell. Like, yeah. Benjamin has asked me about the upper band here. I think so. You can see here, the market has touched the upper band. So this is DJ for yesterday. DJ yesterday. So the market was able to touch the upper band. You can see. This was the confirmation that the market has touched the upper band. For GJ. Yeah, this is for GJ. This area. I think this area. So that was my first confirmation. My second confirmation is I needed for the market to close below the 20 EMA, which is here. Now I can say I can buy. I can sell, sorry. Are you seeing this candle here? This candle here. Let me zoom it a bit clear so that it can be clear. Are you seeing here? This was the entry candle. Hope you are seeing that candle, guys. Yeah, that was now my entry candle. Guys. Hey, that was now my entry candle, guys. Yeah, the market was able to close below the 20 EMA. Then I enter sell like that, simple like that. Target 1 to 2. I think this one was able to hit the TP. Yeah, this one was able to hit the TP. Maybe you can measure together. This one. Yeah, this is GJ, guys. This is GJ. So GJ was able to give us a 42 stop loss. So let's see if the market was able to go 80 pips. Let's see 80 pips, guys. Yeah, this one was able to hit the TP. Can see? Yeah, this one was the TP was hit. Yeah, GJ TP was hit. It was able to be hit 80 pips, which is 1 to 2. Yeah, but GPSD, the market has not hit our TP. Yeah, same thing which is happening right now here. There's some people here, they have entered the buy market here. I think, guys, yeah, there's some people who have entered a sell market here. Reason because the market has been able to touch the upper band. Next confirmation, close below 20 EMA. You can see here, the market has closed below 20 EMA. And stop loss always set on the upper band. Stop loss. Always set stop loss on the upper band for you to be on the safe side. I think, guys, yeah, we see like there's a trader told me like, oh, what if the market breaks below the 20 MA and I set a stop loss below that high candle? I told him that's a risky trade because the market might come, remove, touch your stop loss, then goes in your favor. Like here you can see, the market is able to touch to go back again, but the market rarely will come to the upper band. Yeah, rarely the market will always come to the upper band. Very, very rare. So long as you target 1 to 2, you'll make money long term, guys. So long as you make money, so long as you do it, you'll make money a long term. So just to final up about our analysis today, guys. Just to final up about our analysis today, maybe I can just give you what I'm expecting today and what we are going to do, guys. So we can see the market is approaching where? The market is approaching our lower band here. So what you do is just wait for the market to touch the lower band or to sweep the liquidity on the low of Asia, then wait for the market to close above the 20 MA, then target 1 to 2. Just simple like that. Then target 1 to 2. Just simple like that. I think, guys, like just simple like that. Yeah, just simple like that. Target 1 to 2. So so this is for us for GJ. NASDAQ imetupa trade. NASDAQ, I think it has given us a trade. Yeah, NASDAQ, I think it has given us a trade. Yeah, NASDAQ. So let's go to someone. David has asked me to follow up with BTC. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. So let me finish with Bitcoin, guys. Let me finish with Bitcoin. Yeah, BTC USD. BTC USD. Yeah, BTC USD. I have BTC USD. Yeah. So yesterday, Bitcoin, you were able to get a nice trade. Can see? Yesterday, Bitcoin, you were able to get a very, very, very nice trade. I think. Yeah, yesterday, this Bitcoin, this BTC USD. See? The market able to touch the lower band, then close above the 20 MA here. Then boom, the market went up. So this applies to all things. If you are trading metals, if you are trading crypto, if you are trading stocks, you see NASDAQ is our indices. And it's kind of like a stock. So what's happened today on NASDAQ? On our gold? On Bitcoin, you see? So currently Bitcoin touched the lower band. So all I'm waiting is to close above the 20 MA, then you can buy. Yeah, just simple like that. Yeah, just simple like that. Yeah, so guys, I think guys, it was a nice session with you guys. It was a nice session with you guys. I normally do this session from 10 to 11, guys. 10 to 11, then I leave you time, guys, to check on your own, guys. Yeah, so the levels, guys, which you have marked, we are just waiting for the same thing. Yeah, you see, like yesterday, Nisama did the same thing. Yesterday, I said the same thing, and the market went correctly, guys. And if you followed my plan, guys, you had made money yesterday. You had made the profit. If the market was able to close below the 20 MA, you were able to make the money. Correct? Yesterday, cousin. Yeah, same thing today. Just wait for the market. Because that's how we are trading BTC currently. Yeah, just wait for the market to close above the 20 MA, then you can buy. But USD think it has confirmed towards an entry. Yeah, USD think it has confirmed towards an entry. Yeah, USD think it has confirmed towards an entry. Yeah, so USD, I'm just waiting for the market to close above the 20 MA, then I can buy. Just simple like that. Yeah, guys. So guys, it was a nice session with you guys. So I think we're gonna be meeting tomorrow again, same time at 10 to 11. 10 to 11, guys. So guys, don't miss to take the trade, guys. Don't miss to take the trade. Don't miss to take the trade, guys. if the market presents itself above the 20 MA, don't miss to trade the trade, guys. Yeah, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for always joining the session, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for always joining the session. Yeah, I can assure you, guys. I can assure you guys, like, by the end of a month, by the end of 30 days, all of you guys, you're gonna be improving, even on the mindset part, even on the strategy part, you're gonna be improved. So long as, because right now we are not gambling. As we're not gambling, we are trading with a plan. We are trading with a plan. Like, you are not just guessing the market. We are trading with a plan. And from next week, guys, and from next week, I'll be trading live. So I'll be going live at 2 a.m. So next week, guys, I'll be going live also trading gold with you guys at 2 a.m. Yeah, 2 a.m. in the morning, guys. I don't know if maybe nitakuwa awake by that time. Yeah, but we'll be trading live because I've seen gold is moving well. Because yesterday trade gold went well, guys. Today also, maybe I can finish with that. Maybe I can finish with that of gold. Yeah, I think we can be going live. We can be going live from the morning, guys. Morning, 2 a.m. So I'll be just going live from 2 a.m. Can see gold. So gold, you can see today gold. Let me just show you today as we finish. So on gold, I used the 13 MA. So you can see the 13 MA gold today. I was able to get an entry here and target 1 to 2. Yeah, on the gold. Yeah, gold today really went well, guys, on the market. Yeah. So I think from next week Monday. Yeah, next week Monday, if you want to trade gold, you'll find me from 2 a.m. guys. 2 a.m. in the morning, you'll be able to find me live, guys. So guys, thank you guys. Don't miss the setup, guys, and let's meet tomorrow, guys. Same time, guys. Bye bye, guys.